How to set a monthly spending limit on Revolut. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you set a monthly spending limit on Revolut. So basically, what you want to do is simply tap on the card, or first of all, you just want to log into your Revolut app. Once you're logged into your Revolut app, you just need to go ahead and open up the particular card or select a specific card for which you want to set a spending limit. As you do that, you want to choose settings and then select spending limits and just toggle on the speed limits, select your desired amount and tap apply as well. You can edit or remove the limit at any time. The remaining balance and a rest date can be viewed in the same spending limit section. Then limits can be applied to monthly spending or individual transactions as well. And the maximum card spend can be currency equivalent per month as well. And that's how you'll be able to set a monthly spending limit on Revolut. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.